Hi, I'm Marek Mularczyk, an Adobe Certified Expert and Adobe Certified Instructor and Adobe Community Professional, and welcome to this course in audio editing inside Adobe Premiere Pro, where you join me on this journey of performing audio edits inside of Premiere Pro. There'll be a number of things we'll be covering, so we're going to look at some effects, how to change people's voices, how to add equalizers to boost the quality of the sound. We're going to do some keyframing, as you can see in here as well. So we'll be keyframing the sounds, we'll be doing some manual adjustments, we'll have a look at some semi-automated adjustments as well with the clip mixers, and we'll be looking at things like audio auto ducking as well. We take advantage of the essential sound panel and auto ducking and much more. And you'll have access to this project which we'll be working on in here. So without further ado, let me welcome you to this course. This is the Master Premiere Pro Audio Editing course with me, Marek Mularczyk. Thank you for joining me, and let's get started. And let's start adding and editing audio. Thank you for joining me, and let's get started.